Trap, remember that video you had when you had Zari?
When your daddy. And he gave you a white dog. Ain't that sweet? He gave you a white dog. Look. He gave you a white dog. Wow. You see it? He gave you a white dog. Look. Look, he gave you a white dog. You see it? You want it? You want it? You want this white dog?
She looking at it like, cool, this white dog.
You want it or not? Go to your mom.
Why?
Stand up. We can hold it so you can open up a print.
But I know. I ain't rapping anything. Ah!